Hello guys, join me as we unboxing this innovative external portable solid-state drive, the Aiffro P10 MagSafe. When I first held this device in my hand, its elegant packaging immediately caught my eye. But what is hidden inside this is just a real treat for all technology lovers. So let's open the box and find out what Aiffro has to offer. Aiffro P10 SSD is a round shape with a diameter of 59mm and a thickness of only 6.5mm. I don't know the weight, but it seems no heavier than a pack of cigarettes. Currently available in 1 and 2TB capacity options, maybe even 4TB in the future. It was immediately clear to me that this was something special. The device also comes with USB-C cable for connecting to the computers and other devices, as well as this exclusively designed angled data cable that was created specifically for iPhone or Android smartphone. The first thing I noticed when I connected this SSD to my Windows laptop was that I was ready to use almost immediately. Now this SSD is not big, but this is just a tiny 10.51-inch Chewy MiniBook X and 100 Yoga laptop that I had on review, so I was blown away by this capacity on this small 1TB SSD and the fact that more than 90% of that space was immediately available for use. This is really great for those who need extra storage space. Very simple, plug and play. Considering the compatibility with the iPhone, iPad, USB-C phones and the tablets and the Macbook computers, this is a great accessory for users of this device as well. Furthermore, I want to point out how easy it is to transfer files from this device. Transferring photos and videos from one phone to another can always be challenging, especially if the devices are different brands, but this external SSD provides a simple solution. Just copy the files to the SSD and paste them to another device. That's all you need to do. As I said before, very simple, just plug and play. What really impressed me was this performance of this device. I was able to transfer a bunch of photos and videos really quickly with SM2320 chip and the output interface USB 3.2 Type-C. The Aiffro P10 provides a read speeds of up to 2000 megabytes per second, making it ideal even for use on the go, at work, or even for shooting videos outdoors. Yes, you can record videos and store them directly from your smartphone, ideal for mobile storage at the live concert and the outdoor video recording as well as the office use. Also, this ultra-thin design allows for practical carrying in a pocket or bag. In addition, it supports MagSafe magnetic attachment, ensuring the safety of the device on the back of your iPhones or iPads. The magnetic grip doesn't really hold something on this Samsung Galaxy phone of mine, but it holds perfect on your iPhones or all other metal surface. Overall, the Aiffro P10 MagSafe portable solid-state drive impressed me with its performance, design and practicality. If you need an external SSD device of small dimensions, I definitely recommend it. This product supports various operation systems such as Android, macOS, Windows, Linux, iOS, making it compatible with most devices on the market. Now that I have chance to try that Aiffro P10 MagSafe portable solid-state drive, I'm sure it will become an indispensable part of my digital life. If you are looking for fast, reliable and portable data storage solution, this is definitely the device for you. That's all for now. Don't forget to visit the official Aiffro P10 sales link below this video and treat yourself to a new SSD today at a fantastic price. If you enjoy in this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching and I'll see you soon in the next video review. Bye.